Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Like always, I am here to do the reading for the week that is starting on 23rd of August, that is the Monday, till the 29th of August, that is the Sunday. Also, I hope everyone had a good Raksha Bandhan, a very happy Raksha Bandhan to you guys. It was yesterday, but wishing you a very happy Raksha Bandhan and a lot of love between brother and sister. The bond, that you guys must be having with your brother or your sister, that would be wonderful, and that is wonderful. But yes, Raksha Bandhan is one festival where a brother and sister really uh, you know feel that moment, and uh, that feeling of that bond, and say the happy atmosphere when you meet your brother or you meet your sister, and the fun is unimaginable. It's a wonderful festival for brother and sisters to connect, and everyone to get together basically. So let's go ahead and start our reading for the week of 23rd August till the 29th of August. And as always, please do go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I am on Instagram as well as on Facebook, so please go ahead and like my page there too. The link of the Facebook and the Instagram will be given in the description. So let's go ahead and start with the first sign, that is Aries. 3 cards for Aries. Picking up 3 cards for Aries. I'll start with the relationship for the week that is coming. Yes, definitely there is an improvement in your relationship for the Aries people that is showing. I see new people coming in your life where relationship is concerned. There is a growth in the relationship between, if you are already in a relationship, I see a positive growth, a positive understanding between the couples. Also where financial issue is concerned, if I see the financial aspect for the Aries, it shows a little bit of stuck due to some ancestral issues. So if you can go ahead and donate something or feed a poor people, that might break the blockage that is coming your way, and you will be able to attract some good finance. Where your career is concerned, it's going to be the normal, the way it is going on right now. Nothing too, you can say, bad or nothing too good. It's a normal thing where your career is concerned. Yes, but definitely, you are going to where your career is concerned, you are going to do good, you can say. Not, I would not say you would get a promotion or you would get a raise or something this week, but yes, definitely there is a positivity in the career thing, and you will be doing good in your career. So relationship is super. Financial, there is a blockage, but a little thing that you do can help to remove your blockages. And yes, where your finance is concerned, like I told you, little bit of blockage is there, and you need to do a little thing that I told you to remove the blockage. Career is normal, you are positive, and you will show that positiveness in your career. And where your health is concerned, it's going to be normal. Nothing I see coming your way this week, so your health is going to be fine. Now I'll go ahead and do Taurus. 3 cards for people born under the sign Taurus. If I see people born under the sign of Taurus, this week is going to be a little tough for you guys, because you want to do a lot of things, and you feel the moment where you are tied up somewhere and you are not able to move ahead. So if I tell you where your career is concerned, basically you have to stick to the one you are right now with the career, because you don't have a choice, you can say. Where your financial condition is that you will be juggling your financial needs this week, means you cannot freely spend the money you want to spend. You have to save some money for your future, so that way you will have to be very careful. I see a travel where your work is concerned, where your finance is concerned. So you might make a short trip somewhere, not to meet a family or entertainment, basically for work or for some money related issue. Also, where your relationship are concerned, I do see a little issue where negativity is around you. There are a lot of people who are not a well-wisher, you can say, are causing a lot of negativity around you. So you have to be careful this week to be positive and don't let the negativity anyway affect you. So where career is concerned, yes, you will be in the same career, but somewhere you are not happy doing that work. So that you will feel this week because you're feeling very tied up. Where your finance is concerned, yes, there is a possibility that there might be some issue in finance where you will have to balance the financial needs. Basically, health is concerned, yes, where your health is concerned, you have to be a little careful where emotional things are concerned, like depression, headaches, pressure, all those kind of issues might might trigger or something this week, you can say. Your career, as you can I can see, career, you have to be very very careful about negative people surrounding you. Any negative vibes will cause you problems this week, so just be protected from the negativity around you. Now we'll go ahead and do Gemini. 3 cards for Gemini. Three cards for Gemini people. Where I see the Gemini people financial condition, there is a lot of internal quarrels or internal confusion that is going on with you, and that you will feel this week. There is also, I see finance coming, but with the finance coming, thanking the universe by donating something or feeding the poor would help you a lot. So if I tell you where the relationship are concerned, you will have to be very very careful about confusion, quarrels, misunderstanding this week. Financial condition is very good this week. You will see an increase in financial condition, but you need to do some particular thing like donate from whatever you got a little, or feed the people from the money you get this week. Also, where your career is concerned, there is a normal thing. There is not a bad condition or a good condition that is coming this week where career is concerned. Where your relationship is concerned, like I told you, you just have to be very careful about things getting worse by just a little misunderstanding or little argument. So for that, the fight might occur, so you just have to be little careful about it. Health is just a basic tension will remain with you this week because of the quarrel and the tension going in a relationship. Career wise, it's going to be the same. Health wise, just be very careful about the tension that you take, so it might give you headaches or just a normal basic stuff, nothing to worry about. Now we'll go ahead and do Cancer. People born under the sign Cancer. People born under the sign Cancer. People born under the sign of Cancer, if I see this week is a week that will give you some financial growth, or you can say some money is going to come your way this week. So be ready for that, the finance, the money coming your way. You just have to be very very careful, something related to court cases or law basically this week. So don't get involved into such kind of issues, or confusion might occur, and there might be some reason where you will be dealing with some kind of law or some kind of law matters kind of thing. So just be very careful. Plus this week is the week where you will be confused what is right, what is wrong for you. So you just have to be very very emotionally okay, or meditate a little to find the right answer, because it is mentally somewhere going to confuse you. So this week, if I see finance is superb. There is a growth in finance I see, but there is a tension coming with it where the law is concerned, where something, the paperwork or some law or any kind of thing is concerned. You just have to be very careful about it. Career, wise also it looks okay, there is not a problem, but just a little bit of confusion that you have to deal this week. The health is also fine, but you are thinking too much, so there will be a lot of thinking going on for you this week. So Cancer people, just don't think too much, otherwise it will affect your health. So basically, if I see finance is good, relationship is normal, career is normal, just health wise a lot of tensions coming your way. So just meditate, and you shall be fine. Now we'll go ahead and do Leo. Three cards for Leo. If I see three cards for Leo, for the Leo people, the week is going to be fine. Financial condition, if I see there is a growth in your finance, yes, the opportunities that you have been waiting for is also still on a wait this week. You might not get the answer for the things you have been waiting for the answers. So where your career front is concerned, just be normal, just follow whatever you are doing, and it should be okay. Also, there is a lot of expectations from you that people will have this week. You will be a person whom people will expect a lot of things where work is concerned or where your family is concerned. So if I see the relationship, you are in a relationship, but there is a lot of expectations from the opposite person, or you can say your family. And where your career is concerned, definitely there is a wait this week for whatever growth you are looking for, yes. But where finance is concerned, I see a financial growth coming your way this week, so there shouldn't be any problem. Health looks fine for the Leo people. Now we'll go ahead and do Virgo. People born under the sign Virgo. People born under the sign Virgo. Let's see. For the people born under the sign of Virgo, you have to be very, very careful about the negativity surrounding you, or the people who are not your well-wishers. You just have to be careful this week with people who don't kind of like you or don't like your progress. So just be careful with those kind of people this week. And also it is a good card where your financial growth, I can see a financial growth coming to you this week. So that is a good thing where your financial is concerned. Definitely there is some elderly person or someone like your dad or granddad or uncle who is there to support you this week. So a lot of support is going to come from your uncle or your dad or granddad who is quite older to you. So that kind of extra help is going to come to you this week. Financial condition is going to be superb this week, not a problem. Health also, I don't see any problem coming your way. Just you have to be very, very careful about whom you are surrounded and stay away from negative people. Also, I would suggest you wear something to protect yourself, and that would help to you this week. Health is okay. Career wise also, there is no problem at all. Extra help coming from an elder person to you, so that's a great thing. And I see a financial growth also, so that's super. Now we'll go ahead and do Libra. Quick 3 cards for Librans. Let's do Libra. Three cards for Libra. Where people born under the sign Libra has to be very, very careful about some kind of robbery or someone stealing something from there. Even stealing an idea at work might be an issue this week. So just be very careful and keep your eyes and ears open and see what is going on around you, and be careful about it. There is a lot of expectations also coming from your side. Maybe some people working under you are going to expect a lot from you. Maybe expect to do a project properly, or may expect something, a growth or something, and they might come to you for advice. So something like this, that you are going to feel on the top of the world, because this week you are going to be an important person for the people whom you can guide. So a lot of people are going to come to you for guidance. Just be careful, like I told you, about the robbery and something going around you that you might not know. Also, there is a lot of balance of emotion as well as your work or career. It is necessary to have that balance this week, because somewhere if you are trying to you can say pay attention to your career or to your work, there are chances that there might be some issue with the relationship. So you need to balance the relationship as well as your work properly. So in all, if I tell your finance is looking fine, I don't see any problem in your finance. Where your health is concerned, yes, there is going to be little stress, because you will have to balance the career as well as your relationship is normal right now, just a balance is needed. Career is fine, financial condition is fine, and emotionally, if you balance everything, your relationship looks superb too. So now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. There are a lot of people who tells me you don't say anything nice about us, but it is basically I don't like going and telling people what is not right. Whatever my cards tell, I am the one who is going to tell you what my cards tell you. It's the truth, and we all have to deal with it, right? So let's go ahead and do Scorpio now. So where the Scorpio people are concerned, the first thing I'll tell you, where the Scorpio people are concerned, be very careful with the health of your mother or a motherly figure. A woman who is going to be maybe have some health issues that you will have to take care this week. If I tell you about yourself, yes, if I see your financial condition, the financial condition is superb. It is going to be the same way it has been. I don't see an increase or a decrease in your financial condition. Yes, your career wise, yes, there might be a situation where you might be on top level right now, or maybe at a level where people are going to come for advice to you, and they are going to depend on you a lot where career is concerned. Where your relationship, career, both is concerned, you have to be very, very careful about whom you are surrounded with, who are the people who are your well-wishers and who are the one who do not like you. So basically stay away from the people who are negative and protect yourself, then everything should be fine. So career is going to be fine. You are in fact going to be more busy where your career front is concerned. And if I see your relationship and career, like I told you, just be very, very careful about the people whom you think are not your well-wishers, and stay away from them. Otherwise, if you see your health is going to be the same the way it is, yes, but the health of the motherly figure or a woman, elder woman in your life might see some changes or might have some problems. So just be very, very careful about them. Otherwise, everything looks fine. Now we'll go ahead and do Sagittarius. Quick 3 cards for Sagittarius. Quick 3 cards for Sagittarius. Where I see cards for Sagittarius people, there is a traveling that I'm seeing this month, this week you can say, because I do see a traveling where your relationship is concerned or where your family is concerned. So there is a very light chances that you will travel because of some function in your family or some get together in your family, but definitely there is a travel that is showing. So if I see the relationship is going to be very good, because you're going to meet your family, you're going to meet the people whom you are close to, so you're going to enjoy this week, and a little bit of travel is also involved. Also, where your career front is concerned, you are not seeing the right picture of where and what the people around you, where your work is concerned, is doing. So you have to be very, very careful and keep your eyes and ears open, so that you definitely know what the people around you are doing, because somewhere you have trusted them and you have blindly trusted them that they will do something for you, and you know they will do it with so confidently, but that is not the right scenario. This week, if I see, you are not paying enough attention to the people at your work or whom you trust, so basically you have to keep your eyes and ears open and check properly your work and check the people around you, so that you know the right thing, what's happening around you. Also, like I told you, you have basically closed your eyes and ears and have trusted people so much that now whatever they are doing, you think that is right, but that is not right, and you have to pay a lot of attention to that thing. So if in general, if I tell you where your relationship is concerned, it's going to be good. Where your financial situation is concerned, it's going to be normal. But yes, where your work is concerned, you have to be very, very careful. Keep your eyes and ears open, so that you know exactly what is going on, because right now you are trusting people so much that you don't, suppose if I give you an example, you don't check their work. You trust them so much, but then when this work goes ahead, it is going to mess up your career or mess up your say that level that you have made up for yourself. So just be very, very careful about checking the work, checking the things that you give others to do. Don't trust them blindly. So health is okay, I don't see any problems. Financial condition is also okay. Relationship is going to be very good this week. And career, if I see, you need to pay more attention to your career and keep your eyes and ears open. Now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. 3 cards for Capricorn. Cards for Capricorn. For the Capricorn people, the financial condition, if I tell you, is going to be good. I see an increase in your financial condition. Relationship also, a new relationship might come your way, or whatever, or whichever relationship you are in, there is a growth, or there is that togetherness or coming close. I can see the relationship, you can see, is coming close, kind of a thing, if you are already in a relationship. But if you are not in the relationship, I see someone coming in your life, and this is the week where you will enjoy your relationship. Where your health is concerned, I would suggest you be very, very careful while walking, running, or just hitting your toe, because I do see there is a leg problem that is showing this week. So you might hurt your leg in some way by hitting it with someone, or by falling, or by just hurting it somewhere, or maybe a severe pain that might come to your leg. So just be very careful where your leg is concerned, where your health is also concerned. So let's go ahead, and if I tell you the financial condition, yes, it's going to be very good for you this week. Your health needs, your legs needs to pay attention. Don't hurt your leg. Relationship is going to improve, because I see it improving, as well as people who are not into relationship might find someone or meet someone. And where your career is concerned, it is going to be normal, the way you are and the way you wear. It's going to be a normal thing for career. Now we'll go ahead and do Aquarius. Let's go ahead and do Aquarius. 3 cards for Aquarius. For the Aquarius people, your relationship are concerned, there is a celebration, or there is some happy moment coming in your life. Maybe the person who are looking for a relationship will find a relationship this week. The people who already are in relationship, or a husband or wife, there is something that is there going to come in their life this week that is going to be really happy for them. So there are some happy moment where your relationship is concerned is coming your way. Where your financial condition is concerned, this week is a time for you to save. I see you saving some money for yourself, and that is a good thing to save money. So it's not a bad, whatever you have made or whatever you are earning, you will this week realize that you need to save money, and you will start saving that money. So financial growth is also seen this week. If you see the health looks fine, there is no problem, yes, definitely. But this week for the Aquarius people is for relationship, building new relationship, because it targets mostly on relationship. So yes, relationship is going to be super for Aquarius people this week. Health is concerned, health looks fine, career is also fine, and financial condition, like I told you, is going to be good, because you will be saving, you will think about saving the money this week. So that's it for Aquarius. Now we'll go ahead and do Pisces. People born under the sign Pisces. People born under the sign Pisces, where your relationship are concerned, I do see a growth in your relationship. Yes, it's a very good card for relationship, good week for relationship, because there is a growth in relationship. There is a travel that you will do a little bit to meet your love and dear ones, meet your girlfriend or boyfriend, and it's a positive card where your relationship are concerned. So definitely the relationship is going to be really good this week. There is a growth in the career that is showing. So some level there will be a growth that this week you will be seeing, where your career is concerned, where your job is concerned. So there is a growth that is also showing. Health wise, it looks fine. I don't see any health issues this week. Financial condition is going to be normal the way it is going to be. Definitely this week is for relationship, and there is a relationship growth as well as a career growth coming to you this week. So overall relationship is going to be superb this week. Career growth I see, so career is also getting better. Financial is also the same. There is nothing too good or too bad that is happening this week. And if I see your health is going to be normal, nothing to worry about. So that was our last sign, Pisces, and we are done with the week's reading. I'll be coming with another video on Thursday, and I will see you then again. Keep yourself safe, be blessed, be positive, and like I always tell you, like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and I am on Instagram as well as on Facebook, so like my page there. That's it. Love you all.